Well, hey guys, welcome to this demo. Super excited to jump in and just talk about Involv. What is Involv? What are the features of Involv? What does Involv look like? And as you can see, we're going to jump in and just overview the website and then actually log in and give a simple overview of our platform. Really, this is designed for church leaders, for ministry leaders, for pastors, for really anyone who's leading an organization where you have volunteers, because as most people use, they usually use WhatsApp, Slack, or group text or email. All four of those things in themselves are fine. The big thing that Involv has is it's everything in one. The big thing with group texts is people already have group texts with their friends, their family. So when you try to bring in an organization or a leadership structure or really anything to do with a mission-minded platform, they're going to see the group text and quite honestly get text fatigue. So let's say goodbye to missed updates and silence chats. It's group chats, rostering, planning, tasks all in one. I'm assuming this is what your life looks like right now. So you have email notifications, planning center notifications, missed Slack messages, big group texts, and that just brings confusion and brings brain fatigue. Really moving over to all-in-one platform that has analytics, calendar integration, smart notifications, which we'll go into. And just overall making Involv is here to make communication easy. We're here to make your life easy, your volunteers' life easy. So going over the main four things here: all-in-one group messages, smart notifications, group messaging that are simple, and calendar integrations. Just a simple overview here for pricing, and then we'll actually jump into the platform. But 12 members is free. $19 a month is for 30 group members, 50, 100 plus. So you have $49.99. If you're looking to do a long term, we can definitely lower price down a bit just to make sure that you are able to use the platform. I think it's important for us to make sure that you, as the church, are being innovative and helping grow. So let's get into the platform. Obviously, if you are starting out, you can try Involv free. I'm going to have an organization, but if you didn't have it, what would happen is it would pop up and say create an organization. So for fun, we can create a new organization, just demo chat. It will pop up. We'll create a new one just so you can see. Demo chat 2. And we can do tags. So maybe this is for young adults, youth, worship, ops, leaders. Default time zone. Let's do Eastern. You can upload a logo if you want. Let's just save. So now you can see in our orgs, you would have 3 different organizations. Obviously, we don't have anyone in these ones, so let's just jump into Involv's org. And this is what, if you're an admin, this is what you would be able to see. So obviously, we have 8 members. You'll be able to see the members, all of their different permissions, being able to jump in. Can they create? Can they see analytics? All that type of stuff. Anyone can send invitations or not. My recommendation would be no. And then this is the big thing that I think is honestly the best feature of us. Go to track analytics so you can see how many members we have, how many active members you have. So that's a participation percentage, total chats this last week, events created, events, total people rostered, how many people attended those events. So maybe you have a weekly check-in for your 10 team members. You'd be able to see, 8 people accepted, 2 declined. So we have an 80% engagement rate as far as events. You'll be able to track total chats. So we have 5 active members. So we have Carson, Craig, Josh, Adam, and Kara. You'll be able to see how many chats the person sent and the participation going up. And then obviously you can toggle down. So this is how many groups. So we have 9 active groups. We created 1 new group, and we have 34 total groups and unique tags. So you'll be able to see the tags right here, engineering and design. So we have a new update coming out this week. So there's a lot of chats going on that. Carson and Josh's has 96. The OG's has 15. Bugs 13. Sales and leads. So just for fun, you'd be able to see 96 groups. So now I can go specifically to our group, and you see that there's obviously 2 members. Carson sent 54. I sent 42 last week, and you can change it to last month as well. So you'll be able to see that he sent 165. I sent 151. So you can see we have 100% participation total chat. This is huge if you use iMessage because you have no way to track how many messages somebody sent, how many messages someone's seen. You can't create tasks or events right from your platform. This you very much can. So you'll be able to do organizations. So jumping into the actual group messages, be able to jump into kids team. So now you can see what the platform looks like within the group text. So obviously this is a mobile platform. You can do desktop. So you can see I sent a message this morning. Hey, this is a demo. I can see Carson saw the message. So read receipts are always on. This is huge. You can't see if someone sent an iMessage, but you can via Involv. You'd be able to see simple replies. So I can reply to this again and say reply to, and then you can keep the thread going. So he just said, Carson sent, let's go. Yes, more features on our way. I'm running an unofficial release and it's super clean. Can't wait to share with churches we serve. So he said, I'm running an unofficial release, so I'm going to respond with the heart, react to it, and then I can also, this is huge, convert to a task. So his message automatically sent to a task. So now I'm going to say due date at 9 a.m., task title, Carson is running a release demo. Now we checklist. Is it whatever? Sent out. Add. Assignees. So I'm going to tag Carson in it. We're going to add a role. CEO. So now you can see that we add attachments if we needed to, add more assignees. We can add me just for fun. Add role, demo. Great. So now you can see he's running a release. On the right side, a task popped up. Simply from a message, it automatically sent into tasks. You can toggle tasks to all tasks or just my tasks. Maybe it's things that I specifically am not involved with, hence the name, but I do want to see. So that's tasks. You can do a manual task too if you don't want to send it from a message. This is big too, events. So you can create an event and it's synced to your iCalendar or Google Calendar. So it'll automatically go to their calendar if you create something that's scheduled. So you can jump in and see the demo meeting I set. So we have a Sunday meeting for our leaders. You'll be able to see that it's a 5-minute meeting. Carson's going to send an opening word. So you'll be able to see the team that's involved in this. So youth, we have Josh, Carson, and Carson. Be able to jump in, back into it and edit it. Maybe somebody needed to add a segment and you just say itinerary, whatever. It's from 9:05 to 9:15. So we would add member, tag me into this, save. I'm not going to save it, but you better understand that now the itinerary is 15 minutes long. And jumping in, so now obviously you have your meeting set, the teams that are scheduled to main session wrap up. Itinerary is simple, easy to see, and we'll put a couple screenshots of what it looks like via mobile on this, but really this is Involv. This is what Involv is. Again, it's a simple platform. I can, again, go back into the teams, see the members, track any settings. This is big, announcements only. So if you have Instagram, this is what announcements is. So this is just like broadcasts. Whoever the person who created that channel is, you can set an announcements only. And now only admins can send messages. This is huge for Wednesdays or Sundays. So if you might need a channel, I would say an announcements channel for just the youth pastor and young adults pastor and worship director, be able to send messages to the whole team without it being spammy. So instead of them looking at 20 different groups within Involv on a Wednesday or Sunday, they have one and it's only your voice. They still can react to it to say that you saw it and read receipts is still on. And again, smart notifications. So if this is on, not everyone will get notified for every group message, every event created, every task. Only the people who are tagged. This is super helpful. because you don't want to overwhelm your team. So let me know if you have any questions. Again, this is Involv. We have so many great features coming out. We have a health feature coming out that's going to be able to monitor everything you're doing, to be able to have a genuine platform to be able to track and quantify health of your team. Thank you so much for watching this demo. Again, if you have any questions, if you're looking to take a next step with Involv, create a free account, try it out with 12 friends or 12 team members, create events, create tasks, send messages, be able to see who sees your messages, and truly be able to simplify your systems, which again, systems delivers the mission. Let's push forward everything we're doing